All right, next project regarding shop infrastructure is going to be an air filtration system that I'm going to do out of a couple of fans and some air filters. I've seen these done online. This is kind of my take on it. I've got two fans that I've owned for a long time that I don't have any idea what to do with. They're just sitting in the basement right now. So I want to try and utilize them. They might work, they might not work, who knows? Let's find out after we're done. inside. And again, I didn't put the other filter in only because I felt like airflow was being restricted so much that it wasn't moving anything. Got that one in backwards, but that's because the fan blades are hitting it when it's kind of bowed that way, so the cardboard on the one side is, at least it's doing something. That's really dirty. Okay, I can see some dust moving into the fan, but it's not a miracle solution. I just don't think there's enough speed in those fans to move the air that I need. I think I'm gonna have to upgrade the fan. Fact is that it just doesn't have enough air movement. They were two old fans that I had sitting around. They were literally in the corner. I hadn't used them in years. They were obviously really full of gross, nasty dust and junk. So I cleaned them off before I put them up in there. But despite that, there just isn't enough fan movement or movement around the fan blades to make them a worthy adversary against dust. So yeah, dust wins in this round, but I do think that I'm not done exploring this as a potential. The one thing I really like about this is I flipped the light switch on, it's controlled with the light switch, it's not loud. You know, that was one of the benefits. That was one of the reasons why when I first started this idea, I knew I wasn't going to have something really loud. And I thought by putting two of them together, it's not that terrible. Maybe I can get enough movement out of there, but as luck would have it, it's just not enough. I mean, you know, I was throwing dust into the thing and you could just see the dust particles just hanging around. So no, not worth it. Well, not worth not fixing. I will fix that. So, because I think it has potential, but I do need to get a bigger fan. I was looking at a 20-inch box fan. They're like $20, $25 or something like that. I don't know that it'll necessarily fit up in that same spot like I want it to. I kind of like the fact that it kind of tucks up inside there. Granted, I am cutting off some airflow if I go into a big box fan. But if there's enough power to it, maybe that's a trade-off. That's it for this one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate if you sticking around to the end. If you did, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching. This is Paul from Bighorn Woodworks.